Now we are going to discuss about the acid-base neutralization to prepare a neutral salt and also to convert an acidic solution into basic solution and the basic solution into an acidic solution. The apparatus required for performing this experiment, one is sulfuric acid, sodium hydroxide pellets, and phenolphthalein indicator, the burette, an iron stand, a conical flask, a measuring jar, two small beakers, and two beakers separately. First, we should take some small quantity of sulfuric acid that is to be mixed with the distilled water taken out. So the mixture is to be distributed with the help of a glass rod properly in order to make a uniform distribution. Now it is to be added with 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Make the solution for uniform distribution by stirring with the help of a glass rod. Next, take a small piece of sodium hydroxide bullets. We have called spatula, and add them to the another beaker which contains distilled water. Stir the solution to get the uniform distribution and make the dissolution of sodium hydroxide pellets in the distilled water. Now, take the burette, arrange the stopcock is to be closed, and take small quantity of sulfuric acid into this burette for the purpose of rinsing. The process of rinsing is to be done by closing the open end of the burette with the help of the thumb finger and make sure that the total inner surface of the burette is being in contact with the sulfuric acid by rotating throughout all directions. Now this rinsed sulfuric acid is to be disposed into the sink. Now, fill the burette up to the 0th reading by keeping that burette in the slant position in this manner. After filling it, we have to check whether the burette is containing any gas bubbles or not. If there is no gas bubbles, then we can go it for setting into the 0th reading. Otherwise, we have to make that removing the air bubbles by closing the open end, the help of thumb finger, and making that air gap to be passed throughout the burette. Now, set that level of sulfuric acid into the burette up to that 0th reading. Fix it to the iron stand at a particular height. Now measure exactly 50 ml of sodium hydroxide with the help of a measuring jar. So transfer this 50 ml of sodium hydroxide into clean and dry conical flask. Keep this conical flask exact at the bottom of the burette and hold the neck of the conical flask with the help of the three fingers of the right hand and hold it firmly and keep it left hand in order to operate the stopcock with the help of the thumb finger and forefinger. Release the sulfuric acid by turning the stopcock slowly and making the drops of acid to be released drop by drop. So we can observe here the solution will be changed into the pink color. So this stands for when a reaction is done between acid and base, so it is going to form a neutral solution where it is giving exactly sodium chloride and water. So in order to check that whether it is an acidic solution or a basic solution or neutral solution, we can take a small quantity of this solution present in a conical flask in a small glass beaker. Small quantity we have to take here. And now we have to check by keeping the red litmus paper. In fact, this red litmus paper should be turned into blue if the solution is basic in a sense. I am keeping this red litmus paper into the solution. So it is going to be changed into the blue color. Means it is basic in a sense. Solution it is basic in the sense. In order to cover this one, we have to add acid. So I am going to add the acid with the help of the opening the stopcock again. So now this color is disappeared. The reason where the quantity of acid is more. We can check whether the solution is acid or not by taking a small quantity of solution in another glass beaker. Acids are the substances which can turn the blue litmus paper into the red in color. So see the color of blue litmus paper is going to be changed. Reason where the conical flask consists of more quantity of acid. So this acidic solution again can be changed into the basic by adding excess quantity of sodium hydroxide. I am adding excess quantity of sodium hydroxide. We can check if there is a presence of excess quantity of sodium hydroxide, phenolphthalein indicator is going to give the pink color again. See, we are able to observe that the color of pink is the solution given in the conical flask. The reason here, more the quantity of sodium hydroxide is present. So we have to remember bases are the solutions which can turn red litmus paper into the blue in color. A small piece of red litmus paper and this red litmus paper is going to be dipped into the solution taken here. So the color of red litmus paper is changing into the blue color. So in this manner, we can convert an acidic solution into basic solution by adding excess quantity of base or a basic solution into an acidic solution by adding excess quantity of an acid. When these two, acid and base, both are exactly equal in the quantities, then there will not be any change in the color of either red litmus paper to blue or blue litmus paper to red. So in order to prepare the neutral solution, so we have to add a little bit drop by drop. So here the color of sodium hydroxide, which is pink in color in presence of phenolphthalein, is disappeared. Reason, exactly the quantity of base is equalized with the quantity of acid. We can check this solution whether it is neutral or not. So by taking a small quantity of solution in the conical flask into the small glass beaker. So by taking a small quantity of solution in conical flask and keeping the blue litmus paper into the solution, its color is not changing. So that we can say the solution is said to be neutral. Or otherwise, we can also check it with the help of red litmus paper by dipping this also. The color of red litmus paper also is not changing. That's why we can say that when the quantity of acid and base both are equal in sense, the colors of either red litmus paper or even blue litmus paper both are not going to be changing. I am taking the red litmus paper and also blue litmus paper. Colors of two litmus papers are not changing. So we can say that this is said to be neutral solution.